Hey, so today we are talking Jeff Minter's 1986 release. Oh, in fact, I just spoke to him. 1986 release. I was going to show you the inside of Colourspace for the Atari ST, the light synthesizer. And for those who don't know what a light synthesizer is, think Pink Floyd, Live, lasers, a whole load of stuff like that, trippy visuals. It's kind of that on a computer. First one Jeff Minter released was 1984, Psychedelia on the Commodore 64, I think VIC-20, Amstrad CPC. Unfortunately, I was an Atari boy, so I didn't actually get hold of a light synth until the year after, 85, when Jeff Minter, Llamasoft, released Colourspace on the Atari 8-bit, and then 86 he released it on the ST, the Atari ST. I think this is the first thing he actually released on the ST. As soon as the ST came out, he wanted to get this out. Some awesome Steinerlund visuals on the front there, just amazing, so good. I remember actually getting this on the 8-bit Atari in 85, and it was so good, but the ST version was even better because of the resolution, and basically had a mouse to control all these things, so it was just absolutely mind-blowing. Have a read of the back. Check it out, pause it, read it. Also, look, we've got Llamasoft's address there. I always used to think that sounds lovely. 49 Mount Pleasant, really good. And look, Babelfish, or Babelfish, however you want to pronounce it. Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, awesome. Discover why you bought your ST. He wasn't really wrong. Should we have a little look inside? There's not really loads to it, but it's a nice, it's a nice package. 3.5-inch disc. By the way, with all these unboxings, I haven't actually looked in this for years previous to the video. So this particular piece of software, this is sat on in my music studio, because I'm a film composer. In my music studio, I have a retro game shelf. So Colourspace sits there with various other things. There might be some more Jeff Minter stuff, which I'll do in the future. So yeah, check out the disc. How wicked is that? Remember these? Llamasoft, Colourspace. And should we have a look at the instructions? That's all there is to this one. Oh, hold on. See? I told you I haven't opened this for years and I actually do not know. Check out, single-sided. Check out this. Here's all the keys for the ST version. You know what I need to do is fire this up and actually get some trippy visuals going, and do maybe put it to some of my music. It's a great idea, actually. I don't know why I haven't thought of that until right now. And here's the manual. Not quite as effective in monochrome, but still pretty stunning. Got a little look through with all my old stuff. I was a bit worried about the staples going a bit rusty. Well, check it out. I need to give this a good read. I think this is what I'll be doing tonight. I'll be let's check the look at that. Symmetry, no symmetry, X symmetry, Y symmetry, XY symmetry, quad symmetry. Oh, spiral symmetry. Yes. This is what we want for a trippy video. Well good. Staples are alright, actually, not too bad. I've got some Infocom stuff which I have badly rusted. Look at this. Badly rusted staples. Let's come through that. Radiation Starfield acceleration rate. Well, this sounds awesome. This is so good. If you can, just get to YouTube and go and check out some Colourspace visuals. Back in 86, this was just mind-blowing. I remember couple of Atari shows I went to, Atari computer shows in London. I remember, oh, there's my present again. Probably, I'm guessing in 85, I remember being at an Atari show and Llamasoft had this amazing stand, and Jeff was there demonstrating all his games and everything, but the big pull was the Colourspace on the Atari 8-bit on a big screen, big projected screen with amazing music. I can't remember if it was Pink Floyd or not. And then maybe the following year, maybe the year after, I was there and I remember seeing Colourspace on the Atari ST. I think this might actually be a year before I bought my ST, or a little bit before, and this did kind of push me into getting an ST. And I remember where I worked at a computer store, I had some of my wages taken off me each month so I could pay for this Atari ST, and it was great. It was the best thing ever, and probably all because of Jeff Minter and Llamasoft. But those shows in London were amazing back in the 80s, and I've recently put some photos online. I need to find more photos. But I remember meeting Jeff a couple of times and seeing his demonstrations, and it was great. So this is Colourspace Light Synth. After Colourspace, he wrote Tripotron, which I might have a copy of, and I might do another unboxing of that, which was a more advanced light synth. And then he went on to do more light synths on Xbox, Atari Jaguar, I sound quite posh, Jaguar, and other things. And more recently, Jeff's been obviously started off with amazing shoot-em-up games, and he's been doing recent ones on the PS4 and on Steam and stuff like that. I've been sort of blasting away at Tempest 4000 and Polybius as well, which is an amazing shooter by Jeff. So yeah, I'm going to end it there because I'll just keep going on about Llamasoft. But there we go, Llamasoft complete with 3.5-inch floppy disk. I kind of miss floppy disks. They look nice, don't they? They look nice. Anyway, I'm going to load this up on my ST and have a blast. I'm going to get some Pink Floyd on.